I bet we're gonna get a train video. BNSF, alright! Yes, SD70ACe, alright! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That coal train's moving slow, Jack. He was going very slow. Imagine. 43, 44, 45. BNSF Wide World of Trains leading on Empty Coal Train by Tyler McCully. Wide World of Trains. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157. SD70ACe DPU, alright, SD70ACe unit. DPU, alright, 156 coal cars. Symbol that train was BNSF ES44AC, leading a 2 DPU alrights, leading a SD70ACe unit, leading empty coal train. That train here starts out south at Thomas Hill Power Plant, heads north, turn on the switch track at west of Bevier, Missouri, heads west, going to stop, eat lunch in Kansas City, Missouri, heads west, going to North Antelope, Rochelle Mine, Wyoming. Happened on this cold, partly cloudy, windy day, Thursday, December 28, 2023, by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains. Won't be long, starting on 2024 year. I'll be moving in Columbia, since I won't see trains very much, so I'm gonna miss you, since like TV, trucks, and trains. And next on Monday will be January 1st, be 2024. You get a comic section with our SD70ACe unit, with our 2 DPU alrights SD70ACe. Give video a like, give YouTube a like. I appreciate it, from Wide World of Trains. Well, my name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good day.